Hi there. So a couple of days ago I signed up for the Cloudways trial offer for their hosting, and as you can see up here I've got like 5 hours left on the trial, so I figured I probably should try it out. So anyways, what I'm going to do is go ahead and see how easy it is to migrate my WordPress site over to Cloudways. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So the first thing I think I need to do, we'll come over here to my Divi dude dashboard. So this is my current, where my current host is. So we'll come over here to plugins, add new, and I'm just going to search for Cloudways because I know they have their own migrator. So here it is. So one thing I've already done, I've already installed the Breeze WordPress cache plugin onto my site because I know that's the plugin they use on the Cloudways server. I already installed that and activated it. So let's go ahead now and install the migrator, and that will activate it. So here it is here. So we're going to go ahead and click on settings. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is type in an email. And I imagine they're going to send you updates or correspondence through this email, so we'll want to make sure it works. All right, so then we need the destination site URL, so we'll come over here. Let's click on application. There we go. So here we have our access details. So we have the application URL right here, but it's not all right there, so I'm going to go ahead and launch the app here. And then I came up here to my browser bar, which is also this address right here, and copied it. So we're going to go ahead and paste that here. The database name. So here we have the database. So I'm going to click and copy that. The IP address. We've got one right here, so we'll go ahead and copy that. And the SFTP username. Now I can create one right here, or we'll come over here to server, click on my server here, and here we have master credentials. So this will work. We'll go ahead and copy my username, and we'll paste that, and then we'll copy the password. It's really easy. All I have to do is click on it and it copies it automatically, so that works really nice. So go ahead and do that. So I'm going to agree to the terms. So now I'll go ahead and hit migrate and we'll see what happens. So I'll go ahead and pause the video here. If anything exciting happens, I will come back to it. Alright, so everything seemed to work as far as it verifying the details. Now it looks like it's about to start migrating the site over. So once again, we'll go ahead and pause and we'll come back if anything exciting happens. Alright, well, one of the things that's happened is I got an email from Cloudways letting me know the migration is in process, and it says it might take up to 4 hours. Now I've been migrating for about 3 or 4 minutes right now, and as you can see here, it looks like it's about halfway done as far as moving the files. The tables are completed, and then I imagine the migrating the site will take some time. So we'll come back and I will give you an update on the progress and how long it takes. Alright, so it looks like the migration is just about done. Again, I have a relatively small site, 205 megabytes, and it's taken so far, well, there it is. Well, it took about 14 minutes to migrate my site over. So I'd have no idea if it works or not, so let's go ahead and visit the migrated site and we'll find out. Well, there it is. So that looks pretty good. It looks like the migration worked pretty well. Go ahead and my Bloom works. YouTube videos on there. Alright, well, that was a really easy process. So migrating my one site over to Cloudways was fairly painless, and I imagine doing other ones will be just as painless. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe. And if you want more information on Cloudways, I will leave a link in the description, and if you're on my webpage, there'll be a link somewhere in the write-up. Well, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.